Hey pals, what up? Welcome to Snor's Kitchen. Today we're making fettuccine with crispy chicken.
Ooh. What up? This is Snor's Kitchen.
Ingredients for the sauce and pasta with some mods. 1 pack fettuccine, 1 pint heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of vermouth, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup Mexican four cheese, white pepper, cilantro and Thai basil, minced garlic, cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, and olive oil. Ingredients for the crispy chicken: 1 chicken breast, 1 scrambled egg, 1 cup or more of panko, half a cup of flour, salt and pepper to taste, and add any seasoning that you would like.